Good morning guys, this is Green Bean team. Today we're going to present how to create a survey by using the Google Docs service. So basically Google Docs is a free web-based office suite offered by Google. It's formerly a storage service as well, but it has since been replaced by Google Drive. It allows users to create and edit documents online while collaborating with other users live. Google Docs is combined the features of written, the spreadsheets and presentation program, incorporating technology designed by Tonic System. Simple way to use the Google Drive, you just go to search engine and then search the word Google Drive, and after that just click on the first link, drive.google.com, and they will ask you to put down the username and password on this page. If you don't have one, just click on create an account, or you have one already, just fill in user and password and click sign in. And once you've done that, it's going to show the interface of the Google Drive page. So in order to create a document, on the left hand side just click on create, and then you will see that they allow you to create a document and the presentation, spreadsheet, form and drawing. And for the survey you may need to select on form. After you click form, the system will show about the theme that they have. So this is going to be the theme that you can select on the Google Drive. You just select the one that's most suitable for your survey. You can try to change the heading on the top according to your topic of the survey, and for the theme I might go with this one, and then you just click OK. After you've done that, this is going to allow you to edit the document. So they're going to be the question title sign, and they're going to be help text, question type, and then after you're done just click done, or you can click add item to create another question. Okay, firstly we're going to show you how to create the short answer question. Maybe we can start with what is your name on this question, and then the question type just select on text, which is the short answer. You may click on requires question, that participant needs to answer this one. Just click done and then add item to create another question. The second one, we can try to ask them about how old are you, and also the question types to be text, required question, done. And after, if you would like to create like a long answer for this one, you just select on paragraph text, and the question, for examples, might be where do you live, which is required the full address for this one. So they can put a longer answer. This one is required question and click done. And you will see this is gonna be like a longer box to put the answer. And next one, we're going to create the multiple choice question. The question title might be what is your education levels, and after that just click on the question type, select multiple choice, and then the option one might be less than bachelor degree. And the next one might be bachelor degree. Add up more, just click to add option. This one is going to be the master degree. And then the last one is going to be the doctoral degree. And after you've done that, you just click on done. Here you go, you got one multiple choice, so they allow you to click only one answer for this one. And the next question type we are going to show you is going to be choose from of this question. So the question is can be from general information, maybe what is your nationality from this one. And then the question type you might need to select on choose from the list here. And then give the answer on option 1 is can be Thai. Second one is can be Japan. Yes. And third one can be Korea. And the fourth one can be Vietnamese. Something like this. And after that, if you require them to answer this question, just check on require this question. Then you click done. And this is how it looks like, so they need to click on checkbox here and then this answer will appear for them to choosing only one. And the next question type is the skill question. For this question is due to measure the opinion and the feeling of the participant, like strongly agree to strongly disagree, something like this. For the example, I might use I take a positive attitude towards myself. The question type is scale and scale 1 to 5. So the first one is can be strongly agree. And the number 5 it could be strongly disagree. And then just check on the required question and done. And the participant need to rate their opinion on here. The last question type we're going to show you is going to be the grid question. And it's similar to the skill question that is used to measure the opinion, the feeling of the participant. But if you have like so many questions in the same category, in the same area that you would like to ask, maybe you'll be interested in using this method to ask them. And then the question title from here, for example, like please rate the following aspect of our work. And then don't forget the question type, you need to select on the grid question. And then for role number 1 level, it's going to be the question that you would like to ask them to ask them for their opinion. Maybe the first one I'm going to choose for is going to be the professionalism of the staff. And then the second one is going to be like the communication, how clear that when the customer comes to buy our product, something like that. And the third one is could be accessibility. And just give them the fourth one, which is the process. And the fifth one is might be the document. After you've done that, have a look at the next one, which is column level. So this one you need to put the score on here. The first one is going to be like a very unsatisfied, and the second one can be unsatisfied, and then so on to maybe give them like a 5 of them. The fourth one can be satisfied and very satisfied. To give them a rank to rate their opinion. When you're done, just click on save. It's on done. And this is how it should look like on here. So you will see that each question is gonna ask the participant to rate on their opinion in the same category, in the same question, and they require to answer each of them. So the last task from today is we're going to change the title and also add more heading on here. So the title here is might be, for example, like purchasing customer satisfaction survey, and then you can have some more like a description about what's this survey about. And in order to add the header, you just click on insert and then section header here, and then the section number 1 is can be part 1, information, background here, and then just click on done. So it's gonna be the past one that you can see here. And maybe you may be interested to put the heading number 2 on here. So you just normally you can click on here as well and then just select on here the layout and then section headers. And here you may select on part 2, customer satisfaction, and then you can move it up like this on here, then just click done. So it's gonna be part 2 that need to answer about the question. So it's gonna be like this, the topic of the survey and the description what the survey is about, and the part 1 is information background, and the part 2 customer satisfaction. After you complete to add your question, you may get something like this. So to firstly start from the topic of this survey, and gonna be the part 1 and just ask some information, and the part 2 that a participant needs to answer the question on here, and maybe the last one you can ask them for opinion or suggestion. And this is the important part, and after you've done everything, you just click on send form here, and then you can copy this link and send to the target group that you would like to ask them to do the survey, or you can share via the Google and maybe Facebook or even the Twitter. And also if you have the email, you can send them email in group as well. Just click on send. And let's see how Google Drive gonna work out our survey. So you just click on here and then maybe right click and then go to this link. And here we go. So it's gonna be the survey that we just created by the Google Doc. You can see here when you click on require question, it's gonna be star mark that the participant need to answer the question. And also here is gonna be choose from a list as I showed you before. And this one is gonna be the quick question, multiple choice question, and also for this one is gonna be the paragraph question, which is the long answer one. And after the participants complete all the survey on here, they just click on submitted, and after that the result will send to the creator, the one who created this survey, and they can correct the result and then work out with the SPSS to find the solution to find the results of that survey. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So we hope that this can help you to make the survey easier. And don't forget to try another function so you can create the document, the Excel file, and also the presentation on the Google Drive. So let's try. Thank you so much. Bye bye.